Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the router's WAN light and the modem's online status, and make sure you know your Wi-Fi name and password. Next, power cycle devices in order. Modem, then router, then TV, wait 60 seconds between each. Once done, use your phone as a temporary hotspot and try the TV connection to determine if the issue is your home network versus the TV. This isolates where to focus the repair steps next. Now dig into the TV's network configuration. Open network settings and view advanced or IP settings to see if the TV uses DHCP or a static address. Make changes only if you know your router's subnet. Then check for a firmware update. If Wi-Fi is down, download the update on a PC and install via USB following manufacturer instructions. Finally, change DNS to Google's 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 to bypass ISP name resolution failures. This often restores. Finish by running the TV's built-in network test and then open each streaming app to confirm service. If apps still fail, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Back up your login info and settings first because reset erases them. Once the TV is clean, try connecting via Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi interference. If Ethernet fails too, collect modem/router logs or error codes and contact your ISP. They can resolve provisioning or line issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.